Hello, it's Yvette, and in this video I will show you how to update your WordPress site's plugins. Once you've signed into your dashboard, on this side here you can see next to plugins, it's indicating the number 5. So that means I have 5 plugins that need updating. If you click on plugins, this shows all the plugins that you have on your site. And the ones that need updating are clearly indicated by this yellow strip. If you'd like, you can go up to these lines of text up here. Update available. 5 plugins need updating. Click on that and it'll show you only the plugins that need updating. So this would be a nice quick way to do it, and you can clearly see what you're updating. You can do a bulk action here by clicking this box, which selects all the plugins. In this case, all the plugins that need updating. Go to your bulk action drop-down menu, click it, select update, and select apply, at which point the plugins will be updated. And it could take a while simply because in this case, I left a lot of plugins without updating them, which you should not do. You should update plugins as quickly as possible once it's indicating they need updating. So now you can see, nice and green, all the plugins have been updated. So once you click back onto the plugin link here, you'll see that everything is updated. And that is how you update your plugins. I hope this was helpful.